Understanding GoPro storage requirements.
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore a question that's often asked by GoPro users and enthusiasts alike. How much storage space is required for recording a specific duration with a GoPro camera? This question is quite crucial because knowing the storage requirements can help you plan your shoots more efficiently and avoid running out of memory unexpectedly.
What are the factors affecting storage space?
There are several factors that affect the amount of storage space a GoPro video will take up. 1. Resolution. Higher resolution settings like 4K will take up more storage space than lower resolution settings like 1080p. 2. Frame rate. A higher frame rate, 60 FPS versus 30 FPS, will result in larger file sizes. 3. Video coding format. GoPro uses two video coding formats, H.264 and H.265. H.265 is more efficient and uses less storage, but it requires more processing power. 4. ProTune. ProTune allows for higher bitrate video which improves the quality, but increases file size.
How much storage is typically needed?
To give you a general idea, let's consider a GoPro camera set to record at 1080p resolution, 30 frames per second, FPS, in the H.264 codec. Under these conditions, 1 minute of recording would typically require around 130 megabytes of storage space. So, if you were planning on recording for 1 hour, you would need approximately 7.8 gigabytes of storage. For a full day of continuous recording under these same settings, you would require around 187.2 gigabytes of storage. Remember, these are just approximations, as actual file sizes can vary based on the content being recorded and the specific settings of the camera. In summary, the storage requirements for recording with a GoPro camera depend heavily on your resolution, frame rate, the video codec you're using, and whether or not you're using ProTune. It's always a good idea to carry an extra memory card or have a way to offload your files if you're planning a long shooting day. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding GoPro storage requirements. Happy shooting, and don't let storage worries get in the way of capturing your next adventure.